This is ultrasonic level transmitter, Ultratrol. We have connected positive and negative of 24 volt DC supply to plus and minus terminal of this transmitter. There are 4 programming keys, that is function key, set key, increment key and decrement key. Function key is not in use. Set key is used to enter in program menu or save changes or move to next submenu. Increment key to scroll up to increment value or shift. Decrement key to scroll down to decrement value or shift down. This is run mode display. The finger pointing towards is a level, that is the current level. Then second row it is showing distance. In third row it is showing current, which is corresponding to the level display, and temperature. Now we will see the programming of this transmitter. To enter into the program, long press this Z key. Now it shows 3 options, that is quit, then factory set and user set. Now it is already selected the user set. We can change this pointer to the required submenu by pressing increment key or decrement key. Now we want to use or program user set menu. We will select the user set menu by pressing set key. Now it shows parameter set. Again press set key. This is input bottom distance. This is the distance from transducer face to the tank bottom. Now here the range of this transmitter is 5 meter, hence I have kept it as a 5 meter distance. You can change it by pressing increment or decrement key. By pressing increment key, you can see the value is increasing, and by pressing decrement key, the value is decreasing. I will keep it as a 5 meters and press set to enter in the next submenu. Now it shows measure type, that is level or distance. As we want to see the level of the liquid, hence we will keep it as a level, or you can change it to the distance by pressing increment key. I will again shift it to the level by pressing increment key, and save it by pressing set button or set key. Now this is 4 milliampere point. Here you have to enter the level against 4 milliampere point. So the level against 4 milliampere point is 0 meter. So we will keep it as a 0 meter. However, you can change it by pressing increment key or decrement key. Now we will keep the 0 meter against 4 milliampere point. Press enter to set it. Now it shows 20 milliampere point, which is 4.5 meter. As the deadband of this transmitter is 500 millimeter, the measuring range will be 4.5 meter. Hence, the 20 milliampere point will be at 4.5 meter. You can change it by pressing increment key or decrement key. Now, with the 500 millimeter deadband, the measuring range will be 5.4 meter. I will keep it as 4.5 meter and press set key. Now it shows quit option, yes or no. If you press increment key, it shows no, and it will again go into the same programming loop. I will press it again to display yes, and I will select it by pressing set button or set key, and it will come to the run mode display. Now the programming of this transmitter is completed.